Type of personal injury cases. According to the US Center of Disease Control and Prevention, every year nearly 100 million people seek emergency treatment of an international injury. Other people misconduct cases. Many of these injuries, and given the complexity of fragility of the human body, there are many possible type of personal injury damage and many type of personal injury claims. What is a personal injury cases? A personal injury cases arises when one person suffers an injury due to another person misconduct. In the most cases, the misconduct is negligence, a legal term, and that means something like carelessness. In other situation, the claim arises from negligence, a more served from the negligence type, typified by, for example, intoxicated driving. The third state of mind associated with personal injury is international misconducted, typified by a road rage accident. A small personal injury claim might account to only a few $100. The every largest personal injury claim will run into hundred of million of dollars and above hundred and or thousand of victims. Most personal injury claims fall between these two extremes, however. The seven most common type of personal injury claim. You can classify most personal injury claim into the seven broad personal injury cases type described below. Following is non-exclusive list of personal injury type. There are not exhaustive. Motor vehicle accident. Motor vehicle accidents are one of the most common type of personal injury cases. You might further subdivide these type of personal injury cases in the following subtype. Auto accident. Automobile accident is perhaps the most common single type of personal injury claim. Motorcycle accident. Motorcycle accident frequently products catastrophic injuries. Trucking accident. All the truck accidents frequently produce catastrophic injuries. Commercial truckers and typically well injured. Pedestrian accident. Pedestrian accident occurs most often in urban areas. Wrongful death claims are common. Uber Lyft accident. Red share accidents are becoming more and more common on duty. Uber and Lyft drivers are typically well insured. Medical malpractice. Medical malpractice occurs when a healthcare provider, typically a physician, injuries are patient through sub, substandard medical care. Example include surgical error, medical noises, failure to diagnose are dangerous condition, improper prescription, many other possible error. Winning a medical malpractice claim typically require the support of expert medical witness. These cases also tend to the scientifically complex. Product liability. Product liability claims generate some of the more unique type of personal injury lawsuit. A product liability claim arises when someone suffers injury from unsonable, dangerous consumer product. The injury party does not have to be a person who purchased the product. You must prove the product contain one of the following type of the defeats: a designing defeat, a manufacturing defeat, inadequate warning about the damage of the product. You can win a claim against a product manufacturer without even providing that the manufacturer was at fault. You can use other parties in the product claim of distribution, but you must prove fault, wrong death, wrongful death. Any type of personal injury claim can become a wrongful death claim of the victim dies from the injury. Indiana wrongful death laws are rather complex in a nutshell. However, the disease victim probate estate and certain family members may file a wrongful death lawsuit and receive damage. Therefore, type of damage valuable depend on whether the victim was child and an adult. If the estate paid certain expenses such as funeral and burial expensive to the court will reimburses to estimate itself. Workplace accident. Work Workers' competition insurance cover most workplace injuries. The advantage of workers' compensation claim is they do not have to prove that your employer was at fault. This disadvantage is that you cannot receive non-economic damage such as pain and suffering. In some cases of workplace injuries, however, you can exit the worker compensation system and use of for non-economic damage. Premises liability slip fall.